So hi guys, we are now at our next project, which we have owned this property since 2017 and it's been a fully functioning licensed HMO ever since then, and we have had fully let rooms which are doing really well. We've now had the first 2 tenants move out, so I'm just here replacing the bedding because I want high quality finish, and I do actually outsource with the systemization, which we do a lot of separate videos on, where I have other people do the bedding, but these tenants want to move in the next couple of days, and because my agent is busy, I don't want to lose out on the tenant. Now this room for the last 2 and a bit years has been rented for £500 a month, and the next people that are coming to look at this room now, we've already pretty much secured it just by talking and having that relationship over WhatsApp, sending them pictures, testimonials, floor plans, everything like that. We've almost guaranteed that they're going to take the room, they just want to obviously see it in person, for £650 a month. So massive uplift on what it's currently been let at. But the other tenant moved out yesterday, so I'm just quickly turning the room around. The cleaners have been in, we're just getting the bedding in. Somebody's coming to view it today and they'll be moving in the next couple of days hopefully. And then we've got another room which I secured that room last night, and they've not been to see it, but they like the pictures and everything. So again, do what others are not willing to do. So messaging people, nobody is going to sell your rooms as powerfully as you are. There are no reasons to have any voids, and also you can have a property and own it for a long time and up the rent later on, as long as you maintain the quality and standard of your property. So because of the way that we service them, because of the way we maintain them, I'm able to do a quick in and out for new tenants and old tenants, and I'm able to keep uplifting the rents based on the area, based on spend, etc. So keep informed, keep yourself active so that you also don't have any voids in your properties.